man. Oh, hey guys. Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And today it's a beautiful day. As you can see by the sunshine, it's going to be a gorgeous, beautiful day. We're looking at about 74 degrees. And, you know, my dog is getting a little anxious for some food. I can't plan this. This happens all the time in front of the camera. Oh, man. Man's best friend right here. Oh, man. Listen. If you guys have a pit bull, make sure you comment down below and like this video. Oh, he just left. I guess you can get a little impatient. But anyway, guys, it's a little bit after 11 o'clock and it's a little late for breakfast, but it's still a little early for lunch. So we're going to be doing some brunch. And guess what we're going to do today, guys? Chicken and waffles. Oh, man. Good old Southern cuisine. You can't beat chicken and waffles. But we're not doing just any old chicken and waffles. Not your average chicken and waffle. We're going to be doing Smoking Jazz Barbecue Chicken and Waffles. And what I mean by that, man, we're gonna smoke some chicken wings on a pitboss Austin XL, and we're gonna be doing some red velvet waffles. Oh yeah. Now, if you like grilling and barbecuing, this is your channel right here. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure you smash that and tell all your family and friends about us, Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. It's going to be quick and simple, and it's going to be delicious. Oh man. Alright guys, so we're going to coat these chicken wings after we just got finished cleaning them, and we remove all the feathers and any excess fat that we didn't want on there, and we clean them nice and thoroughly, guys. So then we're going to spray with a little bit of butter just to coat them on both sides of the skin, and that way our rubs can adhere to both sides of the chicken wings. And we're going to hit it with a little bit of Adobo light first. Always shake the bottle. If you had never used some Goya adobo, guys, you're missing out. This is fabulous. This is wonderful. You can just use this on anything. It's all-purpose seasoning, guys. Then next we're going to hit it with a little bit of Mr. Stats. This is going to be our lemon pepper flavor profile. Oh man, you could definitely smell the peppers and the lemon. Oh man. And last but not least, guys, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of roasted garlic and herb from McCormick's. This is phenomenal stuff right here, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip these chicken wings and repeat on the other side. All right, let's turn the power on. And take it to the smoke cellar for now. We're gonna open the lid. And open your smokestack if you have one. All right, guys, so as soon as you see smoke coming from the chamber, we're gonna close the lid. Just like so. And we're gonna crank these temperatures up to 250 degrees. So from the looks of it, we are at 270, and our temperatures has definitely come up to target. And this is a little bit reading above what I'm wanting it to be, but it will readjust. That's the way these pellet grills are. You hear that lines roar, guys? That is beautiful. Now take a look at these bad boys right here. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so we're about to smoke these babies up real quick. And this is going to be our chicken and waffle, guys. Oh man, take a look at that. Alright guys, so we got the chicken wings smoking right there in the pitboss Austin XL. And I'm telling you, I wish you could smell the aroma. Oh man. That lemon pepper, the adobo, and the roasted garlic chicken that we put on that seasoning, plus the extra layer of flavor from that smoke flavor, from that, you know, that cherry, that hickory, and that maple. Oh man, this is gonna be some good chicken wings for this chicken and waffles video that we're doing. So we're gonna cook this for about 1 hour. Now after the first half an hour, we're gonna flip that pan around just to ensure they're gonna be even cooking all throughout those chicken wings. So after the first hour, we're gonna probe it just to make sure we get to that 170, 180 mark. And that's the target temperature that I'm looking for, just to get that crispy skin that I'm looking for. Now guys, you can put it over at 165 and that's gonna be done and it's gonna be perfect for you guys. But I'm looking for that extra skin that's gonna be crisping up. So you guys stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how to do that, all right? So we're still maintaining 250 degrees, 240, 250, and it's been about half an hour. So let's check on these bad boys right now. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Y'all disregard these. Those are Italian sausages, but y'all disregard those. Take a look at these chicken wings. Oh man. Alright guys, so we're gonna flip this pan right here over, just like so. And always use an insulated glove, guys, to protect your skin from being burned. And this is gonna allow, oops, I ripped some of that foil, but that's okay. You're gonna place it right back in the center. And this is gonna help ensure an even cook. So we got about another half an hour to go, guys. I just wanna make sure we get to that 170, 180 mark. So let's take a look. Oh man. Wait for the smoke to clear out, guys. Wait for the smoke to clear out. Oh man. Can you hear that? Oh man. I don't know if you can hear that, guys, but it was nice and crispy. Oh yeah. So let's temp these and see where we at. Alright, so let's take a look at these. Oh yeah. Perfect. 183. 180. Perfect. Oh man. Alright guys, so we're gonna take these chicken wings back into the kitchen and we're gonna let them rest for a little bit so the juices can flow back. Alright guys, we'll see you back in the kitchen. Okay guys, so it's time to make our red velvet waffles. So we're using the buttermilk complete pancake mix, because all we got to do is just add water, and we're just gonna add some of this to mix it in together to give us that color and that flavor. So guys, what I did, I end up using half a cup of milk at a time, and I did pretty much 1 cup of milk total, and I did 1 cup of equal parts of the buttermilk complete mix along with the red velvet cake mix. So I got this consistency right here. Alright guys, so our waffle maker is nice and ready. As you can see by the green light, it is ready. So what we're gonna do is spray with some little butter flavor, just to make sure nothing sticks. I'm gonna get 1 nice ladle, like so. And a little bit more. So a ladle and a quarter. And then we're just gonna let it do its magic. All right guys, so our waffles is done. Take a look at that. Wow, easy, simple to make. So we're gonna plate this up, guys. We're gonna plate our barbecue chicken wings and our red velvet waffles. This is gonna be some goodies, guys. So we're gonna do a taste test and we're gonna chow down and see what the flavors are looking like. Alright guys, let's do the taste test. Let's see what is going on. First, let's try this waffle. Oh. Very good. Man, I got another bite. 2 bites. Let's do the chicken. Let's take a bite of that chicken. Take a look at that, guys. It's still juicy. Even when we hit that 180, 170 mark target temperature in Fahrenheit, it's still juicy. Oh man, I gotta get another bite. Those flavors are coming through. That Mrs. Dash, that lemon pepper, the McCormick's roasted garlic chicken rub, and the adobo. Oh man, perfect combo for chicken. I'm telling you guys, you do that, I guarantee your friends are gonna be loving you. Man, I gotta have another bite. I'm gonna finish the chicken right here. This is so good. Look at that. Clean off the bone. That's the fat boy in me. Let me wet my face. Alright guys, this was a simple, easy dish to make. Chicken and waffles. Red velvet waffles. Barbecue chicken wings done on a pitboss Austin XL. Can't beat that, guys. So guys, if you like barbecue and you like grilling, this is your channel right here. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and tell all your friends and family about us smoking jazz barbecue. Till next time, guys, peace.